Hello, welcome to Fingerprint Orientation. You will be given information on how to order your rap sheet from Crystal Oliveri, Child Support and Rap Sheet Specialist, and Cherise Lazaro, Child Support and Legal Referral Manager. Why are we doing this? We understand that the discussion of rap sheets and fingerprinting can be a sensitive topic as well as a triggering experience. Ordering your rap sheet helps us provide you with resources that can assist you with successful employment and a successful future. It also sets you up with structured stepping stones for you to utilize while being in the RWA program and after.
What is the purpose of being fingerprinted? For once, is to obtain your record of arrest and prosecution, which is your rap sheet. 9 out of 10 rap sheets do have mistakes on them. Mistakes such as incomplete entries, missing information about the outcome of an arrest, incorrect entries, the outcome of your case is not listed correctly, double entries, a conviction is entered more than once, open warrants that are still open, sealing errors, such as cases that should have been sealed but are not.
Why now? How long will it take for me to obtain my rap sheet? New York State rap sheets take up to 2 to 4 months, and FBI rap sheets, convictions made outside the state of New York, takes up to 3 to 6 months.
Here is an example of what a New York State rap sheet looks like. You can order a New York State rap sheet if you have ever been arrested and/or convicted in the state of New York.
Here is a sample of a federal rap sheet. Federal rap sheets are only for prior arrests and/or convictions outside the state of New York.
You may be wondering, why should you see a copy of your rap sheet? Obtaining a copy of your rap sheet will help in fixing any mistakes. Because this can take some time, we encourage you to get fingerprinted as soon as possible. Learning what you can legally disclose to employers can deter you from either under-disclosing or over-disclosing. Both scenarios can cause a potential employment opportunity. Learning what's on your rap sheet can also prepare you in answering questions during job offer interviews. You can also learn what landlords and employers see about you when conducting background checks.
What services can you provide me with once I obtain my rap sheet? We can assist you in creating conviction summaries, applying for a certificate of good conduct or certificate of relief from disabilities, as well as sealing any convictions.
Conviction summaries. After you receive your rap sheet and look it over, you will meet with a specialist to create a conviction summary. This will lay out all your convictions and will assist you when applying for employment and use as a guide for discussion during interviews.
Certificate of Good Conduct. This certificate allows you to get state licenses and the ability to apply for civil service positions. You can apply if you have more than one felony conviction and any number of misdemeanors. However, there are waiting periods from the date of your finished sentence for each felony class and for misdemeanors. There is a 5-year waiting period for classes A and B felonies. There is a 3-year waiting period for class C, D, and E felonies. And there is a 1-year waiting period for all misdemeanors. The Department of Correction and Community Supervision, DOCCS, issues these certificates. They can also be considered as proof of rehabilitation to receive occupational government licenses, which allow you to run for public office jobs.
Certificate of Relief from Disability allows you to get state licenses and the ability to apply for civil service positions. There is a criteria in order to apply. You can apply if you have one felony conviction and any number of misdemeanor convictions. A certificate of relief from disability will only cover one conviction at a time. You can apply for a separate certificate for each misdemeanor or felony conviction. If you have many convictions, you should at least try to get a certificate for your most recent and most serious convictions. Depending on your situation, you may need to apply to the court where you were convicted or to DOCCS. The rap sheet specialist will help you determine if you are eligible, and if so, how and where to apply. The certificate also eliminates bars to professional licensures or employment. However, the certificate cannot allow you to run for office, avoid deportation, remove driver's license suspensions due to DWI or other offenses.
If I have driving or parking tickets, will that show up on my rap sheet? The answer is no. Tickets and fines are civil, not criminal, so they will not appear on a rap sheet. You will need to contact the state DMV's office or Department of Finance to find out how much you owe to resolve that issue.
What if I think I have an open warrant? If you believe or are aware that you have an open warrant, then you should contact the court to get the warrant clear before moving forward with anything. You can also contact the attorney who represented you in the case and inquire about the warrant. Do not get in contact with the police. That could lead to an arrest. We've had trainees order their rap sheets in the past and have come back with open warrants, but none have triggered an arrest.
Did you know you can now destroy your expunged marijuana conviction record? This means if you were charged with the penal laws listed below, they are now being automatically removed from your record, and you have the opportunity to destroy the expungement as if it never happened. Yes, you heard me correctly, destroy. The court, arrest, prosecution, and criminal history records related to these convictions are confidential and cannot be seen by any of them. If you are satisfied with the confidentiality that the expungement already provides, you are not required to apply for destruction. If you decide to apply for the destruction, there will be no record of your arrest or conviction for these charges. In other words, it will be like it never happened. However, please be aware that the Division of Criminal Justice Services keeps the criminal history record for everyone arrested in New York, and once your record is destroyed, DCJS can no longer verify that your conviction was vacated, your case was dismissed, and your arrest record was expunged. Please consider these options carefully. Any errors that can appear on a rap sheet may become more difficult to dispute if these convictions and information are removed. In this case, you may wish to consult with an attorney before applying for the destruction.
I already have my rap sheet. What can I do? Great. If you already have a copy of your rap sheet, you can contact either Charisse Lazara or Crystal Oliveri to set up an appointment so we can assist you.